Hello guys, this is Piano Green and today I'm telling you how to install Scratch for Windows. So let's get right into it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It helps a ton and it makes me happy. So let's go. So we go to Chrome or whatever browser you use and type scratch.mit.edu/download in your search bar or whatever you call it, and then Windows should be automatically selected here, and we press direct download, and then this should pop up, and then we're gonna wait for it to install that. When yours is finished downloading, it should take like 1 or 2 minutes. You can click on it, and then you choose how you want to install it. You can do it only for me or anyone who uses a computer. Doesn't really matter. And you click install and then wait for it to install. It shouldn't take too long. So I will wait for that. And then it was so quick. It will come up with completing Scratch free setup. It's been installed on your computer. Click finish or close setup. And I'm just going to leave this checkbox checked because I want to run it as soon as I finish this install. And then I'm going to click finish, and then see now Scratch is loading, and it's an app. It's amazing, and it works just like the one on the browser. You can use this for if you have bad internet, or because some people don't have good network speeds, and for whatever reason you want to use this for, maybe you've got a file that's really big that you can't open on the Scratch website, you can do it here. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Again, please subscribe and like. It makes me happy. And I guess I'll see you later. Bye.